In this video, we are going to talk about the basic mathematical operations in PHP. So let's create our opening and closing tags first of all. Now, let's imagine we have a variable with the name of a with a value of 10 and another variable b with a value of 3. If I want to add this to 10 plus 3 in PHP, I can just type a plus $b. So it will give me the result of sum of these. And if I want to subtract them, I will just type $a minus $b. And I get 7. Same, we have multiplication equal a times $b. And we should get 30. Then finally, we have division by typing a divide by $b. Now I got 3.333. So these were the basic. Now there are two other things as well. One is modules and another one is exponentiations. The modules, if you divide 10 by 3, it will show you the remaining amount. So if we divide 10 3 times, 1 will the remainder. So let's see $sign. A percentage sign. Remember, this is not the percent. It's the remaining amount of division of this two. So A percentage and B. Now we should get 1 in here. If I increase it, for example, 13, I will get 1 again. But if I change this to 9, now we should get 0 because 9 can be divided by 3 fully. So there is no remaining amount. But if you divide 10 by 3, you have only 1 as a remaining. Another thing is the exponential, which in simple words, if I say the power, if you want to see the power of something, for example, let's see $a to the power of $b. Now this should give me 1000 because 10, it's like this. It will be like this. 10 times 10 times 10 power. So 10 times 10 is 100, and 100 times 10 is 1000. That's what we got in here. So if you want to check the power, you will just type double star.